Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents Macaroni Salad. In hot boiling water, add 3/4 cup elbow macaroni pasta. Add salt to taste. And some olive oil. Give it a good mix. Boil 7 to 8 minutes or follow the package instructions. Check with knife whether the pasta is cooked or not. Drain and rinse it with cold water. Add boiled macaroni in a mixing bowl. Now add veggies to it. 1/4 cup mixed capsicum chopped. 1/4 cup boiled red kidney beans. 1 tablespoon thawed frozen sweet corn. 1 small chopped onion. 2 tablespoon chopped cucumber. 1 tablespoon thawed frozen peas. 1 chopped tomato. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Add some pomegranate seeds. 2 chopped green chilies. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Squeeze some lemon. Add teaspoon of olive oil. Give it a good mix. Emirates Airlines Style Macaroni Salad is ready to serve. Time to plate. Garnish with mint and chili flakes. You can also serve it chilled as you get in the flight. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.